Here's a quick tip that helps you keep your courses more cohesive, all while saving time along the way. When I'm designing a course, I can take the time to set up master slides, color themes, font themes, and text styles to make it easier to create a cohesive design quickly. But what about individual elements such as a background shape with a drop shadow? This is where default objects come in handy. Let's say I'm working on a systems training project and we'll be adding a number of red rectangles around the features I'm discussing. Once I decide on the exact color and thickness, I want to stick with that. When I need one, I can always go find one and copy and paste it, but that means I have to go find one and copy and paste it. Instead, I can simply right-click the rectangle and select Set as Default Shape. Now, anytime I insert a new shape, it uses that default formatting. You can create a default shape, text box, caption, radio button, checkbox, table, slider, dial, marker, and button. Not all properties are saved with the default, though. For example, custom padding isn't saved with a shape, and state formatting isn't saved with buttons. So be sure to check what gets carried over and what gets lost when saving defaults. You can easily change a default whenever you want, based on what you're doing at the moment. For example, let's say I'm adding pull quotes to a course, and I want the text box to be white with a drop shadow, and my pull quote text style that I've already set up. I'm not likely to want this formatting for every text box in the course, but while I'm working on that particular design element, I can save it as my default and go through and add them wherever I want. Then, if I want to go back to a standard text box, I just find one and save it as the default.